Good morning, guys. Fixed my beanie. So, doing some more work on the Datsun today. Got some parts. You know, the Rock Auto Special. I already opened it because I want to make sure everything's there. Oh, and I also got 2 manuals as well too, so I can know more about this car. And got a magnet. Put this up here. A little bit longer than others. No, it's not. But yeah. So everything is here. As you can see, NGK wires, fuel filter, put that back in. Cap, rotor, and spark plugs, and 2 manuals. That's what we're going to be working on today. Won't fire up the car today. The reason why is because I need to go pick up a battery, and I need to go find a line to plug in so I can have gravity fed fuel, just to see if the car would just fire up and take in fuel to the carb. Plus I got to take off that that whole air filter box to see what the carb looks like inside, and that's from there, and I should be able to just probably get it to fire up hopefully after I do that. So maybe next video I can probably get this car to maybe fire up or have some power or something like that. But I'll make a cup of coffee and then we're gonna get going on this stuff. Alright guys, let's get started on this. Let me see what I'm gonna do first. Probably fuel filter first. Should be pretty quick. So, just thinking as I go and working on the car. So I'm gonna do the fuel system last today because I actually want to pull everything out that has to do with the fuel from the mechanical pump going into the carb, and also the return lines. I want to clear all that out just in case there's any gunk, because of when I cut the lines for the fuel filter, a lot of old nasty fuel came out, and it's the same smell I smelled yesterday when I was in the back cleaning the trunk with that fuel tank, and the gas was like thick when I pulled out the hose. So I think I'm gonna go clear out the lines because I don't want that stuff going in when I get the car fired up, and you know, I just don't want that, all that dirty ass fuel or whatever it's mixed with, you know. So I'm gonna do that last. Right now we're gonna do the spark plug wires, cap, and rotor, and then we'll do the fuel stuff last, because I'm gonna probably unbolt it all and clean up everything inside of it. So I just feel like it's the right thing to do, you know, because I don't want that shit going into the carb and having to deal with that shit too. Screw that. God damn. So the firing orders is all wrong on that distributor and all the wires. So based off of this, I got it all correct on the new stuff. So I'm gonna swap that over, get all these plugs out, and should be straight from there. shit. God damn, yo. Here's the new cap and wires, and old one chewed up. Took out this fuel line, so it goes on the car like this, and it has a little return as well too, so this would focus would be great. So cleaned it up, not clogged or anything. Gonna throw it back in. All of the fuel lines in here, this light sucks, are very brittle, so I'm going to replace all the fuel lines. Might take out the mechanical pump to see what that's all about. And if you guys remember from yesterday, I found a mechanical pump in the back, and I don't know what the issue is with that pump. It should be somewhere here. I don't know if this is the original one or anything, but I don't know. Or the one in the car is the new one, or this is original. Not sure, but really grimy. I don't know if it's good to use. I don't know what the issue is, but I'll probably end up replacing that as well too. A little bit of short on time right now for the day, but I'm gonna mount this back in. Actually, I'm gonna mount that in tomorrow because I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone and go pick up all new lines and replace all of these old lines. And fuel system should be good from here. I'm actually going to have to blow out the return line portion as well too. So yep. So I will catch you guys back here tomorrow. Peace.